Hello, I'm Priya Tourkow of Transforming Relationships, and I'm going to talk to you a little bit about the area of relationship counselling or therapy, or couples counselling or therapy. It can be called either of those. And it's actually quite a specialised area, and many therapists do specialise in that area, and they have specific training in couple work. And others incorporate couples therapy into their general practice and may not be quite as specialised. It's very important to feel that you resonate with a therapist that you're going to work with. There are many different styles of working. For example, with couples work, some therapists, and I'm one of these, wants to see the couple together initially. If I'm working with a couple, then it's the couple I want to see. And it's important for them to have that first session where they are together in the room. Occasionally, it might feel appropriate to see one of them and then the other one of them and then see them again as a couple. But many therapists like to start with seeing them individually. So, that's a question of preference. So, as I said, there are many different styles of work, and there are many different problems that couples bring to therapists. And what fundamentally, it seems to me, all these problems or issues stem from is the fact that there is a disconnection between the couple. They're feeling disconnected from one another. Now, often they wouldn't put it like that. They might say we're always arguing, or we just don't seem to spend nice time together, or our communication's terrible. But really, most things come down to the way in which they connect as two individuals, which they are, of course, in their couple partnership. And obviously, the depth and the joy in their connection affects all areas of their relationship. One particular area is communication, which obviously is so vital, and it's not always easy to communicate well with each other. And there's quite a lot to know about communicating, how to be good listeners, how to affirm each other, and how to stay present to one another. And that affects the emotional connection that they have as a couple. Another area, of course, is their physical connection. What's their intimacy like? And when I talk about intimacy, I'm not just talking about sex. Sex is very important, and so is the way that they are together, how they operate physically. Are they affectionate? Are they warm to one another? Are they sensual together? There's a lot along the journey before they get to being sexual. And sometimes couples are sexual, but their emotional and general physical connection is missing. It's strange that, isn't it? But sometimes being sexual as a couple may not be very intimate, but it's what they do, and it may not be creating a sense of a depth and a loving connection that they're looking for. So, creating a deeper connection is all about taking care of your relationship, bringing into your relationship the things that will enable you to enjoy each other, to connect more deeply. And that's my style of working. I know that I'm not in that relationship with the couple. My job is to support them to connect in all those ways that they feel aren't working properly. And as I said, there are different styles. And basically, it's all about supporting a couple to take care of their relationship. Just like if you plant seeds in the garden, you don't just walk away and leave them and say, grow. You come back to them and you talk to them and water them and see how they're doing. Well, relationship needs exactly the same kind of nurturing. So if you think you've got a problem in your relationship, don't just leave it. It needs watering and feeding for it to be the very best it can possibly be.